Hi, I'm Reverend Philip Wright and I'm one of the chaplains here at West Ham United Football Club. Wellbeing and healthy eating is really important to everybody, and as a Christian we know it in the Bible. It talks about it in Romans, our bodies are a living sacrifice and temple, and Corinthians also talks about that when we invite God into our healthy eating, great things happen. As the role of the chaplain within the club, my role is to support staff and patients both spiritually and pastorally. But West Ham take really seriously the health and well-being of their players and their staff and their coaching staff. I'm here with Mark Phillips, who's one of the academy coaching staff. Mark, tell me, how does West Ham take it seriously, the healthy well-being side of stuff?
Well, being a staff, we fall under the category a little bit of the players. We have the nutrition who comes and advises on the food. We've got good nutrition for a start, which also helps. And obviously it's independently how you look after yourself fitness-wise, really.
And why is that more important now than it perhaps was 20 years ago, 30 years ago, in the olden days, as it were? Why is nutrition and well-being more apparent now?
I think to players, it's because of maybe Arsene Wenger, what he brought in from abroad, and things changed, not only with first-team players, with academy players, and with staff. It was just a knock-on of well-being to look after yourself, especially for health and things like that.
And you as a coaching staff, you have to be fit, you have to be mentally well as physically well. How do you cope with that, and how do you train for that?
Obviously, everyone, when no one's getting younger, I'm only a couple of months away from being 60. So, you have to, as you say, remain fit physically and in your mind, sort of thing. And that both comes from the food and the way you conduct yourself throughout the week, really.
Yeah. And what would you say are sort of the best things about well-being and healthy eating? If one person had to think of changing something in the way they live, what is it that you think actually they could do? Or
I don't think it's not only the content of what you eat. I think it's when you eat as well. Yeah. If you tend to, you get advice on when to eat. If you eat too late of a day or of a night and that, then it's going to lay on you. So I think it's when you eat, and you've always been told 1,000 times that breakfast is a very important meal of the day.
And do you think there's a link between healthy eating and general well-being and mentally as well? So does it affect you?
Yeah,
does what you eat affect you mentally?
Without a doubt. No, and you can tell if you're eating well and sleeping well. I think eating helps you sleeping as well. And as you get older, as I am getting older, as I said earlier, sleeping is really important to you. So your good nutrition goes on to sleeping well.
Thanks, Mark. So it's really important what we eat, that we keep fit, that our well-being is just as important nowadays as what we eat. And here at West Ham, we do take that seriously. Thanks.